Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a free food haul, free stuff I got today. Delivered, of course. So let's get started. The first thing I got free was this big box of Raisin Bran. So I got Raisin Bran right here. And then I got two little Wawa milks, one regular, one chocolate. And these are still cold. Usually I get a lot of free Wawa stuff too. So I got that. Then I got a box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Just one box of those. Oops, let me lay it here. Then I got a can right here of some black beans. This is from Whole Foods. I remember seeing the 365 brand there. And then this one here is Chef Boyardee. Got spaghetti and meatballs. Then I got some wax beans. So this is from Fresh Cut Wax Beans. So I got those. I got two bottles of Coca-Cola. And I don't even like Coca-Cola, but my son drinks that. So we got Coca-Cola. I got two big bottles of those. Then I got this little pouch right here. It's just one thing of instant oatmeal. Then I got a big bag right here, a little medium size big bag right here of long grain rice. And you can tell this one is from Walmart because it says great value on it. All this stuff was free, guys. I got a can right here of some Campbell's chicken noodle soup. I mean, who don't love chicken noodle soup? Then I got this. This is a thing of corn. Love corn. I have like a couple thousand cans of that. And then this, I got two of these. This is tuna fish. I got 2 cans of tuna fish. I got a pack right here of some Top Ramen. This is chicken oodles and noodles. Just one of those. Got a little thing of Cheerios, a little pouch of Cheerios. I got a whole bunch of these very soft croissants. So I got 2 of these. Then I got a thing right here of some Skippy peanut butter. Got some Hunt's spaghetti sauce, like the traditional kind. I got a whole bunch of these bars. Ever bars, I think they're called. I don't know. I never ate these. They're too hard for my teeth. So I got like, I think 4 of these. They gave me a whole bunch of those. And then I got this for free. I got this pouch from Sweet Sue. This is white chicken. Instead of it in a can, it's in a pouch. And also when I was at Walmart last night, when I did my Walmart haul, I did see they have pulled pork now in the bag. So this one here is the white chicken in a pouch. Got that for free. I got 2 more very soft croissants. Then right here, I got this this cupcake right here. It's like a muffin. I think it's a chocolate chip muffin or it's a blueberry muffin, something like that. And then I got this. This is still frozen solid. It's very hard. They're like different meals and stuff. This one here is turkey stew with broccoli and mashed potatoes. So I got those. I got another bar again. I got this big thing of disinfected wipes. Got this for free. This is the lemon scent. I also got this for free. I got this big thing of Pure and Gentle. I think these are baby wipes. I got some more baby wipes, so that's good. Got a big thing of soft bagels. Really nice and soft. Perfect to eat. Then I got this for free. I got this big thing of hand sanitizer. I got like maybe 100 bottles or so. I have so much hand sanitizer. It's crazy. And then I got this. This is hand sanitizer. Another spray. Then I got this for free. I got this big bottle right here of the Equate brand. It's like a knockoff of Tresemme. And this is a smoothing keratin shampoo. So I got that for free. Then I got this tiny little hand sanitizer again. Then I got this hand soap for free. This is a regular hand soap. Got a thing of spaghetti. Got that for free. And I got this huge big thing of, it's called, for cleaning purposes only. It's not a disinfectant. Uline Tough Wipes. This is hand and surface towels. So you can wipe your hands and surfaces with that. So that's cool. Hopefully you don't smell. And then I got this for free. I got this big pack they gave me. I think these are like little alcohol wipes or something like that. So I use these to like rub down on my cell phone, to clean my cell phone, stuff like that. So I got that. And then I got these two for free. Got these $2. So I'm going to give this to my grandson. This is the Arthur's reading race. I thought that was cute. And then this one here, it says, "That's what a friend is." And I thought, he'll like this one. So I got those. Got them for free. Oh, and that's it, guys. That's what I got for free right now. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be getting more stuff. And I will be doing more hauls. So anyway, thanks for watching this haul. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.